Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel that I decided devote to stories about airsoft, travel and do something like a vlog. Today I want to show you one day in the life of airsoft player, how I still prepare for the game. I apologize in advance for my English because in recent years I have been studying it on my own. Before that I did not have a weapon and I had to ask the friends for it. But thank you guys for your donation on my Twitch channel. I bought everything for myself, P90, and now I'm strong and independent. The remains is to find my own transport to go to the games. Today we will have our first game of this year, the opening of the airsoft season. I prepared well for this and bought everything I needed. How girl going to airsoft? In principle, is not different from a man, only I still do makeup. Don't ask why, because you won't see anything behind balaclava. But I just like to do airsoft makeup, maybe to take some kind photo, and so that no one don't think that I'm some kind of Andrew. I'm Pandora, hello. In principle, I have already finished packing and I'm ready to go out. Friends are waiting for me there. They said that they were already approaching, but I did not see anyone. For example, why it was said that you are here when you have not yet arrived? Okay.
20 minutes later.
Говорили, будет белая. Махай ручкой.
А, ты уже снимаешь? Давай.
Бля, что, не туда положить?
А? Саш.
Чтобы помочь даме.
Выспалась?
Да, ты мне так написал, как будто я поспать могу.
Блядь, знаешь,
Я вообще вот тебе не засыпаю. Okay guys, now I will try to tell you what the game will be like. Two game sites, sites A and sites B. Site marking by color, task of the parties, site A. Find bombs, deflect bombs, 3 bombs in 2 parts. If a bomb is planted, escort the engineers to the meaning. When defusing the bomb, put it in the case and take it to the evacuation zone. Site B. Find the part of the bomb, 3 bombs, made of 2 parts. Find the envelope in the place where the bomb was planted. Hold an activated bomb on a point within 30 minutes. Surprise bomb, so be careful. Victory of the parties. Site A. Evacuate 2 of 3 bombs. Site B. Successfully hold 2 activated bombs in the deployment location. The first thing we do to get the training ground ready for play is to scare away the bears, because in our city there are a lot of them in the forest zone. We use ordinary airsoft grenades and try to scatter them over the territory of the training ground. Лес загорится.
Постреляли.
Да. Сейчас такой подойдет
Так,
бах, да.
Если что, ему сейчас отделим пополам. Понедельник, ребята подарили мне на день рождения. Вчера он нашел какую-то коробку. Где-то я это видел, по-моему, новогодний кролик. Больше. Например, Корсар 8.
Да блин.
нахуй! Где, блядь, пакеты?
10 долларов в Кидоре.
Как, значит, команда.
Так, а что нам дальше делать? Now we need to make packages that will mislead players. They will look for bombs, but not all packages will contain a bomb. Out of 30 packages, only 3 will have a bomb. Ладно. Я видео так скажу. Это все для того, чтобы разогнать медведей. This is us wrapping up the bomb evacuation case. Basically, everything is already ready. It remains only to wait for the rest of the players. Well, I myself should prepare for the game. Да, мне видос надо, короче, ну поснимать, поиграть, что я зря сыграл.
Это что, Олег? Олега привезли?
Да! Вот там, да! Бля, имя сложное.
Леша. Ага, так. Now the organizer of the game explained the scenario and divide the players into sides. The sides are yellow and blue. My friend and I will play for the yellow.
Какую-то конкретную команду играет?
Он за синюю.
Зато более подготовленные.
У тебя есть скотч?
Нет, зачем?
А мы же тоже за вас будем, что нам за синих поиграть. А ну что играть?
Пиздец. Ну-ка, дайте скотч, блядь.
Now we are going to respawn. From there we will start the game. Что такое?
Всем здоровенки!
Добро пожаловать на мертвях желтых. У нас нет чая, конечно, но тоже неплохо. Unfortunately, I was not able to record my game because I did not buy a protective case for the camera and I didn't risk it.
Вторая часть. И это вторая часть. Да?
Это номер один.
Подожди, написано было где.
Ура-ра. О, блядь, ноги прям в дырочку прям под меня. Опа. И в туалет надо, да?
Выстрела.
Yes, I know that you can blame me out, as I set the telescopic sight to 90 in my defense. I will say that my vision is -3 and I hardly see those who are far away.
The game has come to an end. The yellow team won. This I will hello to people who I don't know, but Airsoft is a game of friends. They also said that I have a cool helmet. Well, in general, I have already come to home. I'm very tired from 7 hours of sport body. Thank you guys for the watching. Hope you're enjoying this video. Follow to my YouTube channel. I also regularly stream on Twitch, and I also have a friendly Discord server. I will be glad to see you on my stream. Love you guys. Bye.